Welcome to Nate's Garage. I'm gonna let you guys see what's coming up. Got a lot done this weekend. Thought I'd show you guys my progress and we'll go from there. Maybe a couple shout outs. And a pretty grueling morning. It was kind of cool out this morning, but humidity's kicking my ass in the end part of the day. So just trying to get through it. So here's what we got going today. Finally got the floors in, and let me show you. Finally got that lip underneath, all the way across, and the floor is below where it's supposed to be. We're going to be folding it over like this. This is the rocker. We're going to be folding that over and welding it, just like the other side. Before I did that, put the body bushings in, I had to actually drill this hole. This hole right here. I made a piece of sheet metal, if you guys remember, on one of my videos. But I had to cut that hole out so I could put the bushing in. So I got all those in. What I did was I pushed the trunk up to meet up with the floor. Hey Don, how you doing? So yep, that's what I've been working on today. And gotta turn the camera back around again. I'll show you the progress on my outer wheel well. Cut the other one out, and just got it kind of clamped into place right now. But try to get the other one on, but I decided to finish the floor, and so I can start welding that in. And it's not pushed all the way in here yet because it has to go underneath this lip right here. This part right here has to go all the way up and through, and that'll make it even with this so I can weld it. So, and then the top of the quarter actually goes here, was welded onto here, so I had to take all that out so it can lay flat on it. Because you can't really weld these into place until these outer wheel welds into place until you get the quarter on, and then you can use some Linkos and sheet metal screws and stuff like that. You gotta form fit everything before you start welding it. So let me show you the other side. Anybody out there today? No, you're out there, Don. So yep, just what I'm doing with this side is pretty much the same as the other. And you got to cut all this out. And this is actually, this part right here is the top of the quarter panel. So we got to use an air hammer and take that off so it's flat just like the other side. Hi Donna, how you doing? So yep, so then I was going to cut all the way up here. There's actually a panel up. Oh, you can't see it, but I'll get the light over here so you can. See that little panel coming out right here? Probably not very well. I need to cut on this side of the panel in the middle, right here, just like I did up here, all the way up. And then the quarter will fit on that. We're working on it. Did all this morning. I cut all this flat. And right now I'm kind of in the middle using the air hammer. This lip is for the outer wheel well. This has to come off right here. And just take a air hammer, and it's not that easy, but these are all little spot welds right here. And they're a pain in the ass. This little lip right here comes off, and then it'll be flat. And I'm sure there'll be some holes in there I gotta fill, but about what I got going. This has to be cut out. This piece drops down, and then the outer wheel well will come up here. and weld this. So just like the other side on the floor, we'll push this down and we're going to weld that in pretty soon here once I get it all these lips have to be bent down and welded. So it's coming along. Got a long, grueling, humid day today, so then you gotta take some clamps and push this in as further than it is and weld these two together. That's all I got today. So thanks for stopping in Nate's garage. It's gonna be a short one because I still got a lot of work to do, but I will talk to you guys later, and I hope you guys see this after the video. So I will talk to you later. See ya. Peace.